Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore English vocabulary together. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is drama. So, what exactly does drama mean? Well, as an A2 level noun, drama refers to a serious story or play that is performed on stage, on television, or on the radio. It's a form of literature designed for performance. Think of Shakespeare's plays like Romeo and Juliet, or modern television series that explore intense and emotional stories. But drama also has a more informal meaning in everyday language. It can refer to a situation or series of events involving a lot of excitement, emotion, or conflict. For example, you might say, "There's always so much drama at my family gatherings." Let's delve deeper with some synonyms. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. One synonym for drama, when referring to a play, is play. For example, we're going to see a play at the theater tonight. Another synonym, specifically when referring to a situation full of conflict, is turmoil. For instance, the company experienced a period of turmoil after the CEO resigned. Another word that can act as a synonym in some contexts is upheaval. The political upheaval led to widespread protests. Similarly, conflict itself can be a synonym. There was a lot of conflict between the two teams. We can also use excitement as a synonym, but it's important to remember that this often implies a negative or overwhelming kind of excitement. All the excitement surrounding the event made her nervous. Now, let's look at antonyms. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. An antonym for drama, in the sense of a chaotic situation, could be peace. For example, after the storm, peace returned to the village. Another antonym could be calm. She tried to maintain calm during the emergency. We could also consider tranquility as an antonym. The monastery offered a sense of tranquility. And finally, harmony can be an antonym, particularly when talking about relationships. They worked hard to restore harmony after the argument. Now, how do we use drama in everyday life? Well, you might say, don't start any drama if you want someone to avoid causing trouble. Or, if someone is exaggerating a situation, you could say, you're being so dramatic. If you enjoy watching movies or TV series, you might say, I love watching drama shows. If there's a lot of arguing and conflict among your friends, you might comment, there's always so much drama in this group. You can use the word in various ways. Here are some more example sentences. The school production was a historical drama. She always seems to be involved in some kind of drama. He avoided the drama by staying out of the argument. The film was full of suspense and drama. I prefer comedies to drama because I want to laugh, not cry. The court case was a real-life drama. The drama unfolded quickly, leaving everyone shocked. The actors delivered a powerful performance in the drama. There's too much drama at work these days. I need a vacation. She created a lot of unnecessary drama over a small misunderstanding. He's a drama teacher at the local high school. The plot thickened, adding more drama to the story. Let's try to solve this problem without any unnecessary drama. She wrote a drama based on her own life experiences. The news report was full of drama and sensationalism. To recap, drama is a serious story or play, but it also refers to situations filled with excitement, emotion, or conflict. We learned synonyms like play, turmoil, upheaval, conflict, and excitement, and antonyms like peace, calm, tranquility, and harmony. We also looked at how drama is used in everyday conversations. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Now, before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English with us. Finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word drama and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with.